It's nice to see you again in this video. So now I'm going to be showing you how you can mirror your Android phone onto your Linux machine. So now let's say you do have your Android phone and your screen has cracks and you cannot have access or you cannot use your phone properly. You can go on and mirror your Android phone to your Linux machine just with a few steps. So now here you are going to just go on and open up your browser. Make sure that you search for the program which is called Screen Copy. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you can go on and also try this tool. So let's say if you move to this project on your GitHub, just scroll down just a little bit. We are going to go on and choose the Linux option since we are using our Kali Linux. So make sure you come down to the step where we have the GitHub, click on Linux. Now here we shall be provided with different commands that we can go on and use so that we can install this program on our Kali Linux. Now I see my internet is a bit slow, but that's not a problem. I expect yours could be a bit faster. So here, in case you are taken to your next page, all we have to do is to execute a bunch of commands. You are going to scroll down just a little bit. If you are using Kali Linux just like me, it is sitting on a Debian kernel. So all we are going to do is to proceed to installing all these applications, and we are going to go on and download a repository from our GitHub, and we proceed with the installation. So all you have to do is to go on and copy this code, open up your terminal, and we are going to go on and paste that code there with our Ctrl+Shift+V. So I'm going to just move in front so that I can remove. Let me go on and just press Shift-A. So I'm going to go on and move on top of my code. I only want to remove this line. So just press enter. All these applications are going to be installed. Just put in your password. Now in case these applications are installed onto your machine, we are going to go on and we download a repository from our GitHub. So I see a couple of tools were installed, but I'm going to just go on and upgrade these. So I'm going to just provide a Y for upgrading, and all these applications are going to be upgraded. So here we can just give it a few seconds and our upgrade will be done. Then later we can proceed with grabbing a link. So as this is finalizing, we can come back here to our repository. So I'm going to go on and copy this code. With my Ctrl+C, I'm going to go on download this application on my desktop. So I'm going to proceed with opening up another terminal, and I'm going to move to the desktop location. In the desktop location, I'm going to just go on and provide up my git clone, then paste the link that I copied from the other side. Now when I press enter, I just made a mistake somewhere. Now here it has to be git clone. I just made a repetition, so it should be git clone and you paste a link. Now this one is going to be downloaded to my desktop location. Then I proceed with running the install.sh. Let me first come back here. As my upgrading is finalizing, you see that it is done. Now when we come back here to our desktop, also our repository has been cloned to my desktop. I can proceed with listing my files. You see that we have our location for secure copy. So I'm going to clear this, then I'm going to move to this location of secure copy and press enter. So if we list this information, you see that we have the install underscore release.sh. In our documentation, they tell us that we should go on and execute that file for our installation to be done. So I'm going to come back here and write my do / and we proceed with our install.sh. So let me just go on and say install.sh and we execute that. Different programs are going to be downloaded and the settings are going to be set within our machine. So let's just give it a few seconds, and also this one is going to be done. Once it is done, we are going to just execute only this command of secure copy in our terminal, we shall be able to get back our Android screen in our Linux machine. Once the installation is done, we are going to go on and clear our terminal. Now make sure that you have connected your Android phone using a USB cable. Now also the USB debugging in your Android settings should be activated. Now the moment we execute this command on our Linux terminal, a pop-up is going to display on your Android phone whereby you have to go on and click allow so that we can have a mirror to our Linux machine. So here I'm going to just go on and say screen copy, then proceed with my enter. With a few seconds, our screen is going to be grabbed. Make sure you click on allow settings if your USB debugging is activated. Now when you try to see here, I have my Android phone and it has been mirrored on my Linux machine. Once your screen is mirrored to your Linux machine, you can just go on and remote control it using your laptop. So I'm going to just go on and press cancel here. Now if I scroll with my cursor up, you see that I'm prompted with a password. I can go on and press 123 just on my keyboard, assuming that this is my password. In case it is the one, I'm going to just press enter here, and if it is correct, they will just take me to my page. So you can proceed to go on and try out this program. In just a few minutes, we managed to mirror our Android phone in our Linux machine. So in case you're interested to see more videos in Linux cybersecurity, please you can feel free to subscribe on my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video. Have a great day. Peace.